Hey YouTube, welcome back to Rough Roads. Today's video features a pre-mod walk around at the beach with Sophie, a set of mods to start off making changes to the trailer, and lastly, at the end of the video, the final clue for the first Rough Roads puzzle prize. If you've been listening so far, this prize can be yours. Video 1 and 2 had clues, and the first subscriber to comment with the 9-character solution wins. Good luck. Now this is what it feels like to open my garage door. Sophie, we're on our way to the beach. You want to go running over there? Doing a pre-mod walk around today. Just wanted to show you what the trailer looks like before anything gets changed. And I'll talk a little bit about the options that I chose on this 5x10 mid-range deluxe. Hey YouTube, I'm down here at the beach today. I'm gonna do our pre-mod video so you can see what this mid-range deluxe 5x10 hiker trailer has got from options from the factory the way I wanted it, and that's one of the best things about hikers. So let's get started. Down over here you can see I've got the lock and roll hitch option. It allows for full articulation. I've added on a 4-inch rise because it gives me the best ride height for my Toyota 4Runner. I got the fridge box add-on with the fence on here. Got the 2 stabilizer jacks here as well. I opted for the solid doors, diamond plate here, full on the front, and diamond plate on the sides here. Right here is the steel fender that's connected with the elevator bolts, so I can stand on this. I've got my connection here for my water tank. This is water input, as well as a 120 volt power input, which is going to be connected to my future electric system. And then here you've got the attachment point for the stabilizer jack. The color is charcoal, and the last option I took were these floodlights on the side. This is the standard galley door. I'll open it up for you. I went for a 24-inch deep galley. There's the 2-inch receiver down here for accessories, not meant for towing anything. And there's the pass-through connection into the cabin. Here we've got the fridge box. I just wanted to show you the inside real quick. You can see it locks, and it's very large. The inside here, I'm gonna have a slide out with my fridge. I'm gonna run power into this area. Likely on the other side, I'll be storing my e-bike, which I plan to use around camp in order to get myself around and keep up with Sophie. Unfortunately, there's no frame mod that's available to put a tongue box on this particular model, but I'm going to be doing some steel work here to be able to add a tongue box in the front, and that will still allow me to raise and lower the trailer, but will give me additional storage for a couple of items in the front. So the options on the inside of the trailer, I chose to have the latches put on, interior cabinets with latches. As well, I've got the Max fan, and I've got cabinetry up front. Also, you can see these are the inputs here for the AC prep, the two vents up front. The hiker trailer AC prep option has caps for the vents to make them watertight while you're traveling. But when I'm camping, I wanted to have the ability to bring in fresh air. So I bought these parts and I used some spray paint and Gorilla Glue, and I made this vent cover, which will allow for fresh air to come into the cabin. So what I've got here is an 11-pound propane tank, and then I've got here a power tank stainless steel bracket, and I actually bought the second strap as well, so there'll be two straps with locks mounted right here. This is going to be drilled, butyl tape mounted, and then siliconed, and it's got washers and nylock nuts, and that'll be going right through the wall here. So to start the mounting process, what I did was I made a small change in the hole layout here, so I took into account the floor location, and then I held this here and marked my 4 holes that are going to mount this right here onto the wall. The hardware's right here, and I'm going to start with a 1/4 inch drill bit, and then I'm going to move up to the 3/8 to match the hardware. So here we are on the driver's side. The installation of the tank went pretty smooth. I'll run a line for this in this direction for the future, which will be a hot water heater in this area. My hiker trailer fridge box option needed a slide. So here you can see I marked the under frame and drilled some holes. And then I made 2 1-inch square tube spacers so the slide could rise above the lip of the fridge box. I mounted the slide with stainless steel hardware, and here it is extending halfway and then full extension. Hey, thanks for watching today's video. Next video is going to have some really big trailer mods. I'm going to go through that start to finish, and we're going to kick off the next Rough Roads puzzle with some brand new clues. Good luck and take care.